Hello, welcome to this video. Today video is starting from YouTube course how to create a YouTube channel. This video is basically about YouTube course how to create YouTube channel. First open the browser, search youtube.com and see the icon of the YouTube has been opened and you can see at the left side there are many functions of the YouTube history, playlist, watch later, like videos, trending. On the right side there's the option create a channel, Google account, switch account, sign YouTube studio, purchase a membership, YouTube, whatever. So you have to click on the right side, create a channel. Okay, here we will create a channel. There is a function how you will appear. There is the option of select picture, name, handle, create channel. Here we will decide YouTube channel name. Okay, with handle. So you can choose any name of the YouTube channel which you want to use. Okay, I will type here my own name for understanding the concept view. Before this, you have to read profile picture. You select here for YouTube channel. See a beautiful picture. You can choose any profile picture in this. Okay, so I will select here. There are many pictures, so I will select one. I will select this. After profile picture, you cancel or create a channel. I will go on create a channel. Before creating this, you should read the policy and of the YouTube channel terms and services. Okay, let's see the YouTube channel has been created. The learning tutorials you can see here. So there are many options on YouTube. Left side, short, subscriptions, history, playlist, YouTube, whatever. I will choose my YouTube channel. Okay, scroll down and see the function of the YouTube, how YouTube works. On the right side profile bar, you have to select here, and you can see there view your channel. Okay, scroll down and see the function. This is the criteria of YouTube channel. So let's see how I use ideas to create my channel. See, again search on youtube.com. Again I will open YouTube channel. So the next step is channel customization. You can see the bar. This is channel customization for useful. So we will select here images. Okay, for the customization image, upload here. Okay, for the result is the pic should be okay. The size you can read here. So I will upload. Okay, select here any pictures. That picture should be copyright free. Done. You can select the unique part of the picture and done. And this is the channel customization process. You can see you scroll down and scroll down. After that, selecting the picture. Okay, you will need to channel description, channel language, tag language. Okay, external links and the other purposes. So let's move on. This is the basic knowledge of the YouTube channel creation and customization. Okay, scroll down. The profile picture has been already taken. Okay, the profile picture is this 98 by 98 pixels and 4 MB. Okay, you can change or remove. Okay, the name has been already changed and created. Okay, so scroll down. You can see the name. So here we will write here description of the channel, on which topic of channel your channel describe. Okay, you can select here. Okay, so after this your viewer can see that the channel is about that topic, that topic. Okay, you can understand. We will write here many of the small paragraph in the description. The next step is add language or add link or contact info. Okay, you will select here any of the your language here. You can see here original language and translation language and description and channel names are also have been created. You will select here English or you can choose your own language. Okay, there are many language options. Okay, let's move on. You can select here email. Okay, for your contact info and publish on the right menu. View your channel and publish. Okay, on the right side. Our description, handle, language, and profile pictures banners are have been published. Or now our channel has been created. So if you liked my videos, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos update.